Hello everyone. Today we will discuss cockroach male reproductive system. Cockroach male reproductive system. So the cockroach, the male and female organisms are the separated. Male cockroach is separate and female is the separated. So today discuss cockroach male reproductive system. First of all, the cockroach reproductive system, it consists of a pair of testes, vasa differentia, ejaculatory duct, and glands. So the glands are the mushroom gland, next one Pali gland, and seminal vesicle, and male external genitalia. Male external genitalia. So they are the cockroach. A male cockroach consists of the testis, a pair of testis. Next one, a pair of vasa differentia. Next one, ejaculatory duct. Next one, glands, the mushroom gland. Next one, the Pali gland. Next one, seminal vesicle. Next one, male external genitalia. So they are all the presenting on the male cockroach. So first one, testis. First one, testis. So the cockroach contain a pair of testis. The cockroach contain a pair of testis. So these are the long lobed structures. Long lobed structures. So they are presenting on the a pair of testis. Next one is the long lobed structures. Next one, so it is presenting on the so the lateral, one on each lateral side of the 4th to 6th abdominal segments. Lateral side of 4th to 6th abdominal segments. So it is presenting on the lateral side. Presenting on the one side is one lateral side presenting the one testis, another one side is presenting on the one testis. So lateral side presenting on the testis. So they are presenting on the 4th to 6th abdominal segments. So the cockroach contains thoracic segments and abdominal segments. So the abdominal segments, 4th to 6th abdominal segments. Next one, the testis embedded. So there are testis embedded in the fat bodies. So draw the diagram. So these are a pair of testes. So the testes are the long and lobular structure. So long and like the lobes. So the testis presenting on the a pair of testis present in the cockroach. So these are the long and lobe-like structures. Long and so these are the lobes. 1, 2, 3 like lobe-like structures. Next one. So they are presenting on the 4th to 6th abdominal segments lateral side. 4th to 6th abdominal segments lateral side presenting on the testis. Next one. So the testes are embedded in the fat bodies. The testes are embedded in the fat bodies. The testes are embedded in the fat bodies. So the testes are embedded in the fat bodies. So these are the one pair of testes. So they are the long lobe structures. They are presenting on the 4th to 6th abdominal segments lateral side. So the testes are embedded in the fat bodies. So these are the fat bodies. Fat bodies. So these are the testes. These are the testes. So presenting on the 4th to 6th abdominal segments. 4th to 6th abdominal segments. Next one. So the posterior side of the testis. So they are the anterior side. So they are the posterior side. The posterior side of the testis. So they are arising the narrow tube-like structures. So narrow tubular structures. Narrow tubular structures. Narrow tubular structure. The posterior side of the testis, is arising from the narrow tubular structures is called as vasa deferentia. Vasa deferentia. So the posterior side of the testis, they arising from the narrow tubular structure. So they are called the vasa deferentia. Posterior side arising from the vasa deferentia. Each testis, posterior side arising narrow tubular structure is called vasa deferentia. Vasa deferentia. So the posterior side of the testis arising from the narrow tubular structure. So these tubular structures is called the vasa deferentia. So they are towards in the inwards. So they are the moved downwards and inwards. So these two tubules. So these two vasa deferentia. So these are opens into the ejaculatory duct. These two ducts opens into the ejaculatory duct. So these two tubules opens into the ejaculatory duct. These are the ejaculatory duct. The two tubules, the two vasa deferentia, say they opens into the vasa deferentia, they opens into the ejaculatory duct. So the ejaculatory duct is a muscular tube. Ejaculatory duct is a muscular tube. Ejaculatory duct is a muscular tube. So this tube opens into the So these tube opens into the gonophore. This tube is opens into the gonophore. So this is also called as external genitalia. So they are also called as external genitalia. External genitalia. So these ejaculated duct is a muscular tube. This tube opens into the gonophore, means the male external genitalia. Next one. So completing in the testis. Next one vasa deferentia. Next one ejaculatory duct. So next one the mushroom gland. Next one is the mushroom gland. Next one the mushroom gland. Next one mushroom gland. Next one the mushroom gland. So the mushroom gland means this looks like the shape is the mushroom shape. The gland shape is like the mushroom. So this gland is called the mushroom gland. Mushroom gland. So this gland contains two types of tubules. This gland presenting on the two types of the tubules. One is the long tubule. Long tubules. One type is the long tubules. So these are called the utriculi majoris. Utriculi majoris. So these are called the utriculi majoris. So the mushroom gland contains two types of the tubules. One is the long type of the tubules. So they are called as utriculi majoris. Utriculi majoris. Next one the short tubules. Short tubules. So these are called as utriculi breviaris. Utriculi breviaris. So the mushroom gland contains two types of the tubules. One is the long type of the tubules, another one is the short type of the tubules. So the long type of the tubules is called as utriculi majoris. Short type of the tubules is called as utriculi breviaris. Utriculi majoris and utriculi breviaris. Draw the diagram. So they are the short tubules. Next one, the outer side is the large tubules. So they are the long tubules, short tubules and long tubules. Long tubules are called the utriculi majoris. Utriculi majoris. Next one, the short tubules is called the utriculi breviaris. Utriculi breviaris. Utriculi majoris and utriculi breviaris. Next one, so the opposite, the anterior side of the ejaculatory duct. Anterior side of the ejaculatory duct is presenting on the glands. So these glands are called the seminal vesicles. Anterior side of the ejaculatory duct are presenting on the seminal vesicles. So anterior side of the ejaculatory duct is presenting on the seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles. So the anterior side of the ejaculatory duct is presenting on the seminal vesicles. So the seminal vesicles, they storing of the sperms. The seminal vesicles storing of the sperms. Next one, the Pallic gland. Next one, Pallic gland. Seminal vesicles. Next one, so these are the Pallic gland. They are called the Pallic gland. So the Pallic gland, they opens into the, these are the Pallic gland. This Pallic gland is the opens into the the Pallic gland opens into the male external genitalia. The Pallic gland is opens from the male external genitalia. So these are the glands. First one, the mushroom gland. The mushroom gland is the shape of the, look like a mushroom. So this gland is called the mushroom gland. So the mushroom gland contains two types of the tubules. One is the short tubules, another one is the long tubules. The short tubules is called the utriculi breviaris. So the long tubules are called the utriculi majoris. Next one, so the opposite of the ejaculatory duct. So the opposite of ejaculatory duct, they presenting on the seminal vesicles. So the seminal vesicles, they storing of the sperms. Next one, so the presenting on the Pallic gland. So these Pallic gland, so they opening from the external genitalia, opening from the external genitalia. So they are the functions. First one, the testis, they secretion from the sperms. Testis releasing from the sperms. Testis releasing from the sperms. So just, so these are the sperms. So these sperms, they are storing in the spermatopores. The sperms storing in the spermatopores. Spermatopores, the bundles like, the sperms are stored in the bundles like, so they are called the spermatopores. Spermatopores. So the sperms is covering by the membrane. The sperms covering by the membrane. So the inner membrane. So these are the inner membrane. So these inner membrane is secretion. These inner membrane is formation by the long tubules. Long tubules of mushroom gland. Mushroom gland. So the sperms, they releasing from the sperms releasing from the testis. So these testis releasing from the sperms. These sperms, they are storing in the seminal vesicles. Store in the seminal vesicles. The seminal vesicles, the sperms, the formation of the spermatopores. Spermatopores means the sperms is covered by the membranes, three membranes. So the inner membrane is the secretion of the long tubules of the mushroom gland. Inner membrane, the secretion of the long tubule of mushroom gland. Next one, so the middle membrane. So these are the middle membrane. So the middle membrane is secretion of the short tubules. Short tubules of mushroom gland. Short tubules of the mushroom gland. Next one, outer strong membrane. So these are the outer membrane. So these are the outer membrane. So the outer membrane is a strong membrane. So this membrane is secretion. This membrane is the formation of the Pallic gland. Pallic gland. So these are the spermatopore. Spermatopore. So these are the glands, the seminal vesicles. In the seminal vesicles, the formation of the spermatopores. The spermatopores contain three members. The inner membrane, the formation of the long tubules of the mushroom gland. So the middle membrane, the formation of the short tubules of the mushroom gland. Next one, outer membrane. So these are the formation of the Phallic gland. So these are totally the spermatophore. Next one, the short tubules, the another function. The short tubules another function. So they are the nourishing of the sperms. So the short tubules another functioning is the nourishing of the sperms, means the sperm food materials. So they are releasing from the short tubules of the mushroom glands. So these two tubules, the long tubules and short tubules, these two tubules opens into the ejaculatory duct. So the long tubules and the short tubules, these two tubules opens into the ejaculatory duct. So the ejaculatory duct is a muscular tube. This opens into the external genitalia. So they are the gonophore. Gonophore means external genitalia. So the testis, a vasa deferentia, a mushroom gland, long tubules, short tubules, seminal vesicles. So seminal vesicles functioning is the storage of the sperms. Next one, they are the Phallic gland. The Phallic gland also opens in the near the opening of the gonophore. Next one, the external genitalia contain three chitinous structures. The external genitalia. So they are the external genitalia. So the external genitalia contain three chitinous structures. Three chitinous structures. So these three chitinous structures is called the palomeres. They are the palomeres. So the palomeres means these are helps from the copulation. Copulation means sex. So these are the male external genitalia. So they are the male external genitalia. So these male external genitalia presenting on the three chitinous structures is called the palomeres. The palomeres, they help from the copulation. Copulation means the sex. So this is also called as equal to the same functioning of the penis. So these are the male reproductive system. So the male reproductive system mainly consists of a pair of testes. So they are the long lobed structures. These are embedded in the fat bodies. It is presenting on the 4th to 6th abdominal segments. Next one, so the posterior side of the testis arising the vasa deferentia, So these two vasa deferentia entering from the ejaculatory duct. So the ejaculatory duct is presenting on the 7th segment. Next one, so the mushroom gland, the ejaculatory duct is a muscular organ. These are openings from the external genitalia, from the gonophore. Next one, the mushroom gland. So the mushroom gland is the shape of the mushroom. So this gland is called the mushroom gland. So it contains two types of the tubules. One is the long tubules, another one is the short tubules. So the long tubules is called as utriculi majoris. The short tubules is called as utriculi breviaris. So the long tubules, they formation of the inner membrane of the spermatophore. Next one, the short tubules, they formation of the middle membrane of the spermatophore. Other functioning is the utriculi majoris, the nourishing of the sperms, nutrition of the sperms. Next one, opposite of the ejaculatory duct presenting on the seminal vesicles. So the seminal vesicles, they storing of the sperms. Next one, last one, the Phallic gland. So these are openings from the gonophore, from the external genitalia. So these function, so the formation of the outer membrane of the spermatophore. These are opening from the external genitalia. Next one, so the external genitalia contain three chitinous structures. So these three chitinous structures is called as palomeres is called as palomeres. The palomeres means these are helps from the copulation, helps from the copulation. Copulation means the sexual, the helps from the involving of the sex. So the palomeres are the same functioning of the penis, the transport of the sperms. So they are the male reproductive system of cockroach. Next class discuss the female reproductive system.